folks, this is Dawn from Create to 8 and Create with Confidence, and today I just wanted to show you a new kit that I have. It is Gypsy Rose and Moonshadow, and it's about the love of a Bohemian woman named Gypsy Rose and her beloved horse, Frisian horse, Moonshadow. So I had printed this page off on cardstock to be the front and the back covers, and then I printed this page off on cardstock to cut and have it on the inside cover. And then these are the inside pages. So I'll just do a flip through here so you can see what it looks like. It's done in blues and bronzes, creams, light rusty color, all neutrals. Like I said, Bohemian style for the equine lover, a horse lover. So, and this is a mess up from my printer. It decided that the print heads were not happy. So you can see the front pages look great. It's because I printed those a little later, after I cleaned the print heads. But it's a beautiful tribute to the relationship between a person and their horse. Usually a female and the horse. Not to say men don't have good relationships with their horses, but there's a special bond between a woman and her horse. So some of y'all know I have a horse son who is now in his 30s, and he was my first horse. I didn't get him till I was in my 40s. I've had him now for about 20 years. 20 years. I was 45 when I got him. I'm 65 now. So I tell everybody, don't ever give up on your dreams. It may take 40 years to have that dream realized, but just keep on dreaming it and going for it. So Sun is one of my horses, and then the second horse I have is Rain. And I didn't name either one of those. So those are the pages that I have, and then it's got a bunch of ephemera. And I printed this out on cardstock. It's a lightweight cardstock. So I'll just skim through this here. And it's got a bunch of journaling cards for you with some sayings. And some tags and tickets, and more tags, and more tickets. You've got to have envelopes and circles, and little stamps, pockets, more circles, little tabs to put on it. More journaling cards. You can use these as belly bands. And some more journaling cards. Some more envelopes. Pockets. Oops, I need to fix that. I had moon dance by accident instead of Moonshadow. This is a layered pocket. And folders, and journaling cards, and more items you can use as belly bands, and another envelope. And then I've got 3 Fussy cut stickers, and the first 2 are really, for Fussy cut pages, and the first 2 are really good for stickers. So these are the first 2. The third one, I printed this as a sticker. I wouldn't recommend it because it's so dark. I'd say print this out on just a regular piece of paper or cardstock instead. And then as an extra, I have, oops, that doesn't belong in there. I have this trifold that I printed on the front and back as an insert, and some pockets and tags and just journaling cards that go into this trifold. So this is Gypsy Rose and Moonshadow, and it is up on my Etsy shop now. That is Create to 8 Curiosities, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed the flip through. Thank you. Bye.